Hey you! Would you like to have your finger on the pulse of your company's interests, knowing things that don't affect you in any way, being able to read them right in the middle of a busy kitchen? Then you need a company newsletter! That's right, learn how long dairy markets can keep strong production and low costs going. Learn that you should be cautious of heat, rain, and wind, and strawberry growing conditions. Keep an eye on all Class 3 milk prices. Get some FSA tips and tricks. And this just in, the squid market has issues. Learn things, and more things as you run past the refrigerator. So get a company newsletter, and sooner or later you're bound to start caring. Company newsletter!